of Jamaica's renewable energy industry by developing human capital. In addition to its training initiatives, Wigton recognizes the need to foster economic development through education in Jamaica. The company has established the Wigton Windfarm Limited Scholarship with the University of the West Indies, Mona, and the Northern Caribbean University. The scholarship is awarded every 2 years to one student at each institution pursuing undergraduate degrees in engineering fields related to renewable energy. Each recipient receives an award of $1 million Jamaican dollars annually for 2 years to cover tuition and other school-related expenditures. Wigton Energy Limited continues to play a pivotal role in Jamaica's renewable energy landscape, not only through its wind energy operations but also by investing in education and training to develop the nation's human capital in the renewable energy sector. As of October 18, 2024, Wigton Windfarm Limited